Today I'm taking a two-dimensional image and showing you how to turn it into a 3D model. No complicated modeling, no CAD system, just a clean and easy workflow. I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is Maker Build It, where we turn ideas into projects. Recently, someone had messaged me that they were trying to turn their two-dimensional logo into a 3D logo, and they were having trouble. And I guess they reached out to other people, and those people told them it was a really complicated process. Now, I do have another video on creating logos from a black and white logo and how you can make that using an SVG. I'll link that in the description below, but today we're just taking this full color two-dimensional logo and we're turning it into a 3D model in a really simple, easy way that anyone can do. Now let's get this logo made. So the first thing we need to do is remove the background. I'm using Adobe Photoshop, but you could do this in Canva or other free software. Now, once the background's removed, I decided I was going to convert it into an SVG. Why? Because in the past, I've used SVGs to create logos right inside of Bambu Labs. So I imported the SVG into Bambu Lab Studio, and what I realized is this one didn't quite work out the way I thought. When I imported it, it still had its background, and the SVG really wasn't what I was looking for. So what I did is I went over to Maker Lab and I used image to 3D model. Uploaded the image into Maker Lab, hit generate, and 2.7 minutes later, I had a great 3D model that I could export in one color, in a 3MF, or a full color rendition you could use for 3D modeling. Then all I needed to do is go back in Bambu Lab Studio, open up my 3MF, and here you can see we have our 3D model completely colored. And just like that, we went from a flat image into a 3D logo. This is one of those workflows that seems complicated when you look at it at the beginning, but there are so many tools out there to help with these type of projects, such as Maker Lab's image to 3D model. Not to negate the skill it takes to design in CAD systems, but if you're just looking for a quick 3D model of a two-dimensional item, this is one of the ways you could do it with one of the 3D modeling AI systems that's already out there, especially if you already have your two-dimensional logo designed or any other sketch you want to convert into a 3D model. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and remember, every design deserves a dimension.